Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change button radius Shopify Dawn theme. Let's get started. So it's actually available on all the themes that you have in Shopify, but for this video, we will use Dawn as an example. So what we can do is you can head over to your online store, click on this customize button right here, and then from in there, you should be able to see all of your settings on your Shopify editor. Now, what we can do is, for example, we can head over to our product page in order to see a more definite example. So, for example, in here on our product page, we should be able to see an add to cart button, which is this one. As you can see, it has actually a sharp corner. So, what we can do in order to change that is we can actually just modify the left sidebar that we have on our actual Shopify editor. So, what we can do is you can head over and click on this theme settings right here, which is the second icon. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see in here the logo. Click on this logo right here. And in here also you should be able to see some more options. But in here when you scroll down, you should be able to see again the buttons. Under the buttons, you should be able to see this corner radius. So when you adjust it, for example, at around 16 pixel, as you can see, this will adjust this pixel right here. And it will also adjust these buttons that we have. So for example, let's adjust it some more. And as you can see, this will adjust the corner of this button. And once it's been done, head over and click on the save button right here in order to save your changes. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.